A warm welcome to all of you. Thank you for joining us for this special live workshop titled The House of Your Soul. So after all these years, in all of these lifetimes, we have the honor of serving a small group of people who are now allowing themselves to experience all the benefits from being a sovereign creator. And over the last 40 years, it's been our joy to play the part of a mentor or a guide to help you experience a true and authentic soul-filled life. During this time, the number one issue has been all about your sovereignty. No longer identifying with those parts of you that feel conflicted. Parts of you that perceive their life as being disconnected from the source of life. Denying you the clarity to experience who you also are. A divine being having a human experience. So, a lot of you have come to realize it hurts on many levels when you pretend you're not divine. It might appear that it's really difficult to take ownership of this presence, and we're not dismissing the hardships so many of you have endured. But during this workshop, we invite you to let go of all the pain and all the struggle. Let go of all the perceived problems and issues. Let's spend the next 5 hours together, allowing your natural state to now step forward. It would be our honor to serve you, to help you rise above all the noise, elevating your experience so that you can experience your natural state of being divine too. Here at Ancient Wings, over the last 40 years, we presented hundreds of classes and workshops and offered thousands of private sessions. But no matter what we're sharing, when we come together like this, it always feels fresh to us. That is what being present in a multi-dimensional moment feels like. So, joining us today is not only my dear friend and oversoul Michael, but his friend Metatron. Their presence in and of itself goes deeper than any words we might speak. But we also have another very special guest who is equal to Michael and all of his friends. It's your own divine nature, because you have responded to a call to come back home. And over all this time, all of you have discovered it's really hard to try to not be divine. It's not an easy thing to do. So let's make today the perfect time to stop playing these mind games. Let's celebrate your inability to pretend that you're not God too, in part by living inside the house of your own soul.